sugar syrup went very nicely into the tubes. That is the Hello friends, welcome to MMS Rasoyi World. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am sharing the recipe of making instant jalebi. So they are very nice, delicious and very juicy. And they are ready within just minutes. So without doing any delay, let's get started. Let's make the batter. First I am taking plain flour. I am putting 1 teaspoon plain flour, another teaspoon plain flour. Then the next ingredient is besan or gram flour. I'm going to put 2 teaspoon gram flour. Now I'm putting rice flour or rice powder, same portion, 2 teaspoon. And the next powder is, this is semolina or suji, again same proportion, 2 teaspoon semolina or suji. And already I have added 2 teaspoon plain flour, but I need 2 more teaspoon plain flour. So here I am putting 2 more teaspoons of plain flour. Mix them well, mix all the dry ingredients very nicely. I will need yogurt as well, and also bicarbonate soda or baking soda. So I am putting now 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix them well, and now I am putting yogurt or curd, 3 teaspoon, 3 to 4 teaspoon around. Look, so mix them well. Now adding water. I have put almost half cup of water. So don't put water at once, you can always add water later on. So I think I need little more, so I have added little bit of water. So you can see the consistency, it's not so thick and it's not so thin. So the consistency should be like falling consistency. It should be dropping from the spoon. Now I am adding yellow color, yellow food color to give a nice color mix well. See the consistency, it's not so thick and not so thin, and you have to make a very smooth batter. You have to make lump free batter, so keep aside. Now I have taken a color bottle, color tube, whatever, so I'm pouring in there to make the jalebi. You can use a cone or anything of your choice. This is easy for me. So make your oil hot to fry the jalebi. Pan, make your sugar syrup ready. To make sugar syrup, I am putting sugar, 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. So to check the sugar syrup is ready or not, I have put little bit in the spatula and see the consistency, one string consistency. Sugar syrup is almost ready. I will turn off the gas now. So let's start frying. See how easily you can make jalebi with the help of this color tube. So fry the jalebis like this. So when one side is cooked, turn them and take them off when they're fried well. When they look good, they're brown. So I'm putting another batch of jalebis. So put the fried jalebis in the sugar syrup, dip them for around 2 minutes, and when they are soaked into sugar syrup, take them off. So another batch of jalebis are done. So just soak them into the sugar syrup and keep them for 2 minutes and then take them off. Very easy. So look, these are ready. I have made so many jalebis, around maybe 30 to 35 jalebis within just 15 minutes, and they look so awesome. Now here I put one jalebi because my sugar syrup is reduced. So now I have to put one by one and dip them for 2 minutes and then take them off. So friends, hopefully you like my recipes. They are very nice, juicy, beautiful, and the tubes are really good. The sugar syrup went very nicely into the tubes. That is the main character of jalebi. So look, I have taken a bite. You can see sugar syrup is coming out of the jalebi. So they are really very good. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe MMS Rasoyi World. Bye now.